In order to assist applicants in meeting their financial responsibilities, financial institutions provide salaried and self-employed individuals the opportunity to apply for a loan without documentation. This type of loan is also known as a paperless loan or a loan with minimal paperwork requirements. Traditional banks and money lending apps both offer such loans in the form of personal loans, with the borrower's current relationship with the lending institution, as well as their history of past repayment of debts or creditworthiness, serving as determining factors in whether or not they are approved for the loan. We have compiled a tutorial that explains how to apply for a loan without documents, as well as its qualifying requirements, benefits, and alternatives that are made available by financial institutions. What does loan without documents mean? The idea of a paperless loan is to simplify the process of submission and verification of documents as proof of identity, address, and income. For existing customers, lending institutions will already have supporting documents for KYC, Know Your Customer, which is mandatory as per the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, in order to process such a loan. So when a crisis strikes, or at times of financial emergencies, existing customers can request for an instant loan from banks with whom they have a savings account or money lending apps. Such loans are generally processed via mobile application or online banking, hence called a paperless loan. Some financial institutions also use the term loan without document interchangeably with loan with minimal paperwork, such as Aadhaar card loans. Nevertheless, the idea is to simplify the lending process or minimize the documents required to obtain a loan. That said, lending institutions will require new customers to go through the KYC procedure by uploading pictures of relevant documents online, or even sit for a quick video call. This will also require submission or information like contact details, current residential address, bank account number, salary or bank statement, etc. on the application form online. Know your eligibility for a loan without document. A loan without document is a type of personal loan offered by lending institutions. The process of assessing the eligibility criteria of a borrower is similar to any other retail loans on the basis of which the loan amount, tenure, as well as interest rates are fixed. The difference is that lenders will already have KYC documents or income proof to assess eligibility and repayment capacity for existing customers. Here's how individuals can assess their creditworthiness. 1. Build your relationship with the lender. Ideally, lending institutions with whom applicants have a savings or salary account, fixed deposits, or have taken loans in the past are the ones who will lend an instant loan without submitting a document, be it traditional banks or money lending apps. Once an applicant submits a formal loan application online, lenders will assess your eligibility and determine your creditworthiness. 2. Your employment history and employer credibility. In the process of determining applicants' loan eligibility, lenders check your employment history, your job stability, etc. For instance, an employee working in a government sector will have a higher chance of availing an instant loan than other applicants. Even if an applicant is working in the private sector, the lender could look up your employer's history of providing stable career options, which can be a factor to instantly get a loan. 3. Your credit score and repayment history. Quite a crucial factor. Lenders mandatorily run a simple check on your credit score, and individuals with score of 750 and above have higher chances of getting an instant loan. One's credit score is also crucial to avail of a low rate of interest on their principal loan amount. Timely payment of equated monthly installments, EMIs, of past loans are duly noted by lenders, and any deterrent on it can have a great impact on getting a loan. Do you have a stable income? Remember, financial institutions will run a credit check before sanctioning a loan. This also includes declarations of your income. During the process of applying for a paperless loan, lenders will ask your monthly income to be mentioned in the application form, and you may be required to submit relevant proof, screenshot of a salary slip or bank statement, which is also crucial to determine the maximum loan amount an applicant gets. Features of instant loans with minimal paperwork. Personal loans are taken for fulfilling any financial needs, and the amount is credited directly to the borrower's account. Here's what borrowers need to know before applying for an instant loan without documents. Applicants: salaried, self-employed, pensioners of Indian nationals. Age: 21 to 68 years. CIBIL score requirement. Important. 720 to 750 or above. Income requirement. 10,000 to 15,000 or above per month. Loan amount. The maximum amount an applicant gets is fixed as per borrower's creditworthiness, income, credit score, or lender's policy. Interest rate. Here's the latest rate of interest charged by major banks on personal loans. Repayment tenure. 3 to 36 months. Processing fee. Applicable. The amount is subject to the lender's policy. Down payment. Not applicable. Prepayment fee. Applicable as per lender's policy. Collateral or security. Not applicable, NA. Approval. Such loans are generally processed instantly by money lending apps or declined instantly. However, banks may take a day or even a week, depending on your relationship over and above assessment of eligibility, income, credit checks, etc. Dispersal. The loan amount will be instantly credited to an applicant's bank account as per details submitted during the loan application online. Instant loan without document alternatives. Pre-approved personal loan offers. Most lending institutions also run a pre-approved personal loan scheme with documentation process or eligibility process for sanctioning the loan already carried out in the past so that customers can avail of instant loans without any hassle at times of financial needs. Personal loan top-up loan offers from your lender. A personal loan top-up allows borrowers to apply for additional loans over and above their existing loans. The process of documentation is usually eliminated on top-up facilities and comes with a collateral-free option. A loan without documents, paperless loan, or loan with minimal paperwork are terms used interchangeably by lending institutions to spread an idea. Simplification of the process of submission and verification of documents as proof of identity, address, and income for existing customers. As many may think, a loan without documents is not similar to loans taken from a friend over a phone call via verbal agreement. While financial institutions have eliminated the documentation process for their existing customers for obtaining such loans due to their existing relationship, new customers will have to go through the KYC process. In case of the latter, the documentation process has been simplified via minimal paperwork and ease of submission of information digitally. Hence, a paperless loan, as such loans can be obtained without visiting the lender's office.